Can't install Brew formulae correctly, permission denied in /user/local/lib. I am installing a few homebrew packages on a brand new Mac. However, there are some errors while linking. So SVN isn't really installed correctly, as we can see here. Same error for Git. However, this one's installed correctly. Should I just chod the lib directory, or is there anything else I should preferably do?
As of writing, Homebrew requires the contents of /user/local to be chowned to your username. This doesn't seem like a great solution, but it works, and is evidently the recommended use. See this URL. You can do.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.